So just got done doing the cleaner and degreaser, left it sitting overnight, shook it up. You can see, I don't know exactly. Oh man, you did a really good job. Let's go ahead and filter this and see exactly how much it took out of the tank. All right, so yeah, just got done filtering it, and man, look at all the rust. There's still even some down in the bucket too, but yeah, it did its job. So now I'm gonna go and wash the tank out again and dry it with the heat gun and prep the tank for paint. Go and get the tank painted and get ready for metal prep. Okay, so the metal etch is in the tank and it's doing its job. So now I got some free time. It's time to restore the fill tube, which is really, yeah, it's gonna need some scrubbing. And go ahead and make the list and head over to AutoZone and get the new hoses for the tank. All right, everybody, back for another video. The process that never ends, the gas tank. Wanted to show this. I actually cleaned up a lot of the hardware. Should be dry by now. Yeah, all nice and new looking. All right, well, I don't know what happened there, but you know, it's going underneath the car. That one looks good. I guess I got some stuff on it, but this cleaned up real nice. If you saw the pictures before of it, it was kind of horrible looking. But I'm to the point now of putting in the gas tank sealer. This thing sit for 96 hours. Not looking forward to that part of it, but I have cleaned this thing I don't know how many times, and we got really nasty weather today, so the heat gun was actually kind of nice. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys the inside of the tank now, what it looks like after the metal etching and stuff like that. So you can see it's, can't do a lot of, but man, it's an improvement of epic proportions. So now I'm going to pour this stuff in there. It seals up pinholes, the seams, bonds, all that stuff, and it's supposed to be the best stuff you can get for gas tanks. And after that, I'm waiting on the new seal to come in, which should be here tomorrow. While I'm letting it sit, I'll go ahead and rebuild the fuel indicator unit. I already got the new float in today. I decided to go plastic instead of the brass that was in there. I figured plastic will last a lot longer than the brass. But anywho, we're going to put this stuff in and tape it up, and for 30 minutes going to rotate this thing around and see what happens. So it is done, and now it's the weight game. We'll look down the side there. Should settle out some. So now I have to wait 96 hours, and then I can complete this, get it back in the car, and get the car running again. All right, the tank is painted. It's not the best, it's what the paint I had laying around. Instead, I cleaned it up a little bit so the ground will work. I'm still waiting on the gasket. It was supposed to be here today, but well, it is what it is. So hopefully by Tuesday I will get this back in the car, put some fresh fuel in it. I should be done with the lines in the front of the car because I'm replacing all the lines in the new lines. Got my new fuel line I need to cut down for the sections, new fuel filter, Duralast, not a product plug, that's what they had. Here's the old stuff. Unfortunately, they could not find a replacement for this hose. They could not find a replacement for this one. So I found a universal racing set through Summit that I'm going to order for this. And it should be here next week. And as far as this hose go, just have to do some measurements and see what I can find online to replace this vent hose. But New hoses will go on and should make a big difference in the car running. So guys, remember, like, subscribe. More videos coming. Gonna tonight sit down and do one on restoring the fuel indicating unit for the tank. So till next time.